where today we have Season 4. So yeah, I've already played a wee bit. I'm on level 7, I'm on tier 33. So yeah, I if you're wondering, I bought the battle bundle. So yeah. Okay, let's play a match. So in game I'll show you some new things. Then at the end of this game I'll show you the battle pass. Okay, so first of all, this is one of the skins. You can go through every emote you own, and you now have spray paint. So if you're on a wall, if there's a wall near you, you can spray paint it, which is quite cool. So map wise, there's an asteroid that's hit tilted, just a small one, but Dusty Divot, as it's called now, has been hit, which was Dusty Depot, as you can probably see there. There's also a new place called Risky Reels, which is, there's an asteroid that's hit there. So let's go to Dusty Divot and I'll show you around. So this is a new free fall, which is quite cool. Okay. Hopefully I get a good gun. Oh, someone's got an RPG. Yes. No! Okay. Okay guys, so this is the battle pass I'll be showing you through. So, tier 1 we have the Carbide, don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but it's part of the Carbide set. Then we have Battle Hawk, which is part of the Advanced Forces set. Then we've got some V-Bucks and stuff, and then we have the Gale Force pickaxe. Then we have the light camera Then we have a loading screen. And we got the sugar crash, which makes a noise as you're coming in. There's also this kind of backpack thing. Standard issue, it's called. Then we have the Retro Sky free fall. Then we have the technique. So yeah, it's kind of like a spray painter type graffiti person. Then we have, this is one of my favourite dances, orange juice. Then we've got a loading screen. Then we've got popcorn, which is quite cool. Then we have just some stuff. Then we have a free fall, spray paint free fall. Then we have a glider. I have a loading screen. Zoe, which I'm guessing is some sort of candy person. Then we have Respect. Respect. Oh, I'm going past. Then we have Lightning free fall. Chicken emote. A goodie bag. Then we have, this is probably my favourite. I've seen this online. I don't know if you have, but I've seen this online. Then we have Hertz, Veiler, which is quite cool. Guessing it's a villain. Then we have the glider, the Interped or something. Then we have Squad Leader, which is also part of the Advanced Forces set. Then we have like a Raven loading screen, banana thing. I think I've seen this as one of the Boogie Down entries. Then, tier 100, we have the Omega, part of the Omega set. So yeah, it's tier 100. It's quite cool. So yeah, that's the battle pass. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be back with another video soon. So yeah.